holy night, the stars are brightly shining. It is the night of our dear Savior's birth. Long lay the world and sin and error big, and until He appeared and the soul felt its worth. A true love home, weary world rejoices, for yonder breaks a new and glorious morn. Fall on your knees and hear the angels' voices. Oh, nights divine, all night when Christ was born.